Good afternoon, everyone. And here's another short. And today we're going to be looking at Jupiter. And as you can see, we've got only one area here, just a slither of an area of demand. And we've got this big area here of supply. In fact, there were two areas that have overlapped, which makes, as I've always said, when there's an overlap, it's quite difficult to actually make a breakthrough. Except there's some very heavy volume momentum pushing the price up. I looked at the chart overall and I noticed, so I decided to go with the patterns to see what I could get, and I got a double bottom pattern, as I recognized here and here, and this gives us a target of about $1.01. Now, I would always suggest that it just gives you an idea. Don't take it as gospel. Now, is it possible for it to get back to this price? Absolutely, as I said, with enough volume momentum. Looking at our our volume profile, it's fairly even, nothing dramatic, which means that volatility is not too bad. And as you can see, we've been trading sideways pretty much since March of this year. Now, for those of you who got into this particular product at a higher price, or this particular coin at a higher price, and you've watched it come all the way down to about 30 cents, I would suggest you move forward with patience and a little bit of caution. Just keep your eyes open, because I believe that there are other buying opportunities, particularly if you believe in this particular project. What do I mean? If you look here, as I said, since March we've been trading sideways, but if you look here, ladies and gentlemen, where my cursor is now, you can see that's about 65 cents, 75. So I believe that anything under 65 cents is still a buy. Why? Because look at that area of demand here. It's still quite early days yet. The area of demand starting at about 42 cents or so. So anything under 65 is a good buy, I believe. And if you can get in there and you can weather that storm, you can add to your, as I said, you can add to your position and who knows, make your profits. Now, if it breaks $1.01, I think it go all the way back to its all-time high of about, I think it's about $1.84. I stand to be corrected, but something like that. Anyway, that's me, ladies and gentlemen. So please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and as always, keep your eyes and ears open and your trading sharp. Have a good one.